Alright, so what's up guys? I'm with Liz over our FaceTime call. We're just going to be explaining something really quick.
So basically, I don't want to say we're trying to bring the old YouTube back because you might not know what that is. But a lot of older videos in YouTube, like even with Team 10, they would do like big friend groups and not exactly too many dares that are trying to get views or like challenges. It'd be more of just like talking with your friends and still doing crazy stuff. But it's mainly focusing on being with friends, like big groups, more than just
it's like, I don't know, we
just likes and
we just wanted to have it more of like a family kind of thing instead of just trying to get views, trying to get like people. We wanted to be like have fun with our friends instead of
friends over views for sure.
Yeah, like we just kind of wanted to make it more realistic or whatever, like so you can see into our life or something like that with our vlogs, which you're going to be doing more. And then also Liz is going to be doing more vlogs once she gets the chance to. So she's probably going to have one soon because she'll be over Saturday and she's going to use my stuff. So anyways, look forward to that.
Subscribe to my channel, guys. I haven't posted yet, but I will.
All right, yeah. Stay tuned. Subscribe, like, whatever.
Yes, all the above.
Skeet. Oh. Alright, let's get into the vlog. Yo, we just got to Target. We're about to get some snacks. That was a lit ride. Where the frick is Liz? Liz! Okay. So here, we got my mom to leave.
Our store vibes.
We're gonna try to do that dance, where it goes like
whatever it's
down
called.
we have to do it down the entire aisle, okay.
See how stupid.
My body, I was like this. Teach us the ways, Faith. You go out when you your leg goes out too. And then for this, it's just the same thing, but you need something, guys. What? Something wrong about it? There's something wrong about it? What the did you do to her? What did you do to her? Put on your clothes. Oh, she used no shirt for service. No service. Hold on. The shoe. You got caught.
Where's my phone?
I gave you my phone.
Oh, you gave me Faith's phone.
No.
What up?
You goof. It's in your butt.
Oh yeah, I have.
Oh, I got scared. I was like,
Record what you just did. Uh-oh. Sugar plum? How are you? What? I got some Vans for you. Real funny. Cherish them as the real ones you have on your feet. Alright guys, we're gonna go fish. Nope. Alright guys, it's the next day. We're going to the beach now.
Beach day.
Yay! We're all dressed up and stuff. Got our bathing suits under our clothes and stuff. Alright, so basically it's probably going to be a while for us to drive there. So we're going to be chilling.
25 minutes.
Yeah, we're going to be chilling, listening to music in the car and stuff. And then we brought our snacks, which I don't know. Yeah, all of our stuff is back there. We're going to have snacks and stuff. So we will see you soon.
Yep.
Every line, now I can't remember how it goes, but I
you doing with yourself?
Oh, I can't help it now. I feel it.
Advertisement.
She's like, this one's good.
If you try, it's always a good time. It's always a good time. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time.
Oh,
You're so cute. So,
yeah.
so cute.
It's actually getting pretty.